I ever see them brighter days? Go to a better place where my enemies don't exist, and I can finally write in peace that are alive. I'm never resting in peace. I got too much on my mind. Life gets harder every day. I'm losing it, trying to find a way. I have nowhere to go, nowhere to stay. Been through so much pain, I might not have another day. I'm faded away, I can see the light, but I'm still full of life. You'll never take me alive, so if I die tonight, don't cry. I'll see you on the other side. Everything is gonna be fine. Even through the worst of times, you can keep a good man down. I never felt what it's like to be happy. Things happen, oh well. I've been to hell and came back with more passion than ever before. But I'm not just rapping, no, I'm teaching lessons. Writing about my real life situations, putting you up on game, be my occupation. Just speak louder than words through my actions. I'm giving you nothing but the real until I'm in a casket. I'm manning up to my responsibilities, and that's my little princess melody. I just wanted you to know that you mean the world to me. Just in case God takes me early, but I'm in no hurry. I wake up feeling blessed every morning that I'm still here with all my peers, holding me down through thick and thin. I don't believe in friends, y'all my family. And just know I'll take a bullet for every single one of you. I'd rather have it be me than be you. I'm always down to ride for my crew. You see, we the last of a dying breed. Still you see us rising, but that's no surprising, cause through a blackout I'm still shining, still rhyming, so focused on grinding. That's why you rarely see me smiling.